Welcome to Mama's channel.
No, only Bella.
I told you. Bella.
First, going to open my perfect L.O.L indoor and then buy L.O.L Surprise and then different.
Ooh, what's gonna be? What's inside? What's the
Sure.
secret?
She really wanted a toy at the store, so we got her this.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You need help?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, let her to do it, I guess. Okay, let's do unwrap.
Oh, this is hard.
I know, right? How about,
Oh, there's stickers.
what's in the stickers?
Sticker L.O.L put in makeup.
I'm gonna go grab scissors.
Well, I have a knife here.
Yeah, but
If you want.
that's.
What's inside? Wow, that's beauty.
Okay.
Wow.
L.O.L. I'm going to make it, guys. Why did I open this?
Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah. Go this way. Go this way.
Oh, yeah, person.
You don't know how to open it. Bella's first
This is. Oh.
L.O.L. this year.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
go,
confetti!
Oh, yay.
Okay, what's
Okay,
in
open
there?
that.
Give me the crush.
Okay, now, Bella, when you're done, open it. Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this confetti up. Hopefully my
I
birds
think
will
it's going to be awesome.
Okay, Bella, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is it? What is it? I missed it.
No, it flew off the table.
I'm going to open it, guys.
Okay, you want to open this one?
Yes.
I want to open it.
But only me, these one, too.
Okay.
I see something. I see something.
You see something? You see something?
Yeah. I see.
Do we have to save this too? The confetti?
Come on.
What's the
I'm gonna
secret?
Okay.
What's hidden?
You didn't wait for me?
Go ahead and unwrap it. What is it?
You open?
Right here.
Her got this.
Okay.
Her got
Okay.
her got.
Looks like. Wait, Bella already broke it.
No, it's not broken.
I mean, like it's a
What's
little,
next, Bella? What's that?
It's a little.
Look at
Her got her
that.
glasses.
Okay, there you
That's
go.
so cute.
White Barbie.
Oh, like the Barbie wearing it
Okay,
too, right?
this one's a mystery. I think you're supposed to pull this.
Okay, you have to wait. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're supposed to pull.
And
There's more surprises, baby. Come and go.
okay.
This is hard.
I can't get my.
Oh!
That scared me.
Let me
Oh no! Ahead.
Don't.
It's big. Isa, can you close that closet in there, or the pantry? Let Bella do it, please. Not you.
Okay.
You're broken.
No, it's not. Okay.
No,
No, let Bella do. Open
Okay,
it.
okay.
You want me to?
It's a surprises for her. Wow.
Oh, look at her makeup.
Okay.
I think her.
Here's this. Here's this.
I think.
Bella, do you have this before?
This was
No.
scary.
It's a surprise.
Yeah.
Do you have her before? Do you have more?
So basically, if you missed it,
Yes.
you press this button and then it opens this confetti. And then you press this button, it opens this and
Oh, there's a
this.
lot of secret then, huh?
Yeah, but then this one was hard. It was scary. said that you had to pull
I
it.
taught her how to
Yeah, you
it.
had to like,
What is this for? It's just
you had to pull it.
what is this for? It's just nothing.
Yeah, you had to pull it.
Alex, what is this for? It's just nothing.
It's just, well, it's actually a cover. It's actually cover so it doesn't like reveal anything. And
Oh.
also it's supposed to protect the doll from like
So,
splashes.
what is the question mark this? It's a confetti underwraps.
Oh, you also forgot this.
Oh, what is that for?
Make house.
Do you have the instruction?
Oh, these are like characters.
Yeah, character.
So, yeah, it looks. Hold on. Let's put on its clothes. Put on its clothes.
Yeah, I'm going to put on her clothes. Why do this? Ah, yeah, sure. Darling.
Isn't she pretty?
I'm waiting.
Wow, I like the hair.
Her turn purple. Her purple, and then her slimy monster
Blue
as
eyes.
well.
Pink hair or purple hair.
But her not going
Also,
to be
Bella,
slimy.
You got Candy Cute.
Candy cute as well.
Is that what she called?
Yeah, that's what she's called.
What's the name of it? Candy Cute?
And she is cute and frustrated.
That's why her name.
Candy Cute, and she is a frustrated.
Bella, you want?
Is
No.
it?
Yeah, well, it shows emojis. It says that
Yeah.
she's like frustrated. Like it shows this face.
Candy
Or
cute.
annoyed.
I miss you as well.
Oh, okay, okay.
Is this gonna break? I'm scared.
No, take it off.
Yeah, I think it's gonna break.
No, I don't think so. It's designed that way.
Get her.
Put the other shoe on. Put the other. So much confetti.
What is the confetti for?
Oh, for like. Oh, it's confetti. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
You should know what confetti is supposed to do to people.
So what is the
Where
ring
her
for?
shoes?
Oh, it must be her. No.
I think that mom her house.
Did I just?
Water.
Okay. Ah, she still wobbles though.
I think Bella got the Blank Queen, not the Kitty Cute. You like it, Bella?
Wait, what kind?
Yeah.
Blink one
I
has.
love my well.
There's a there.
Oh, she's devil.
Oh really? Oh.
No, she's devil.
You like
How did you know?
these?
It's emoji.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see her. I wanna see her.
What the?
She's a Blank Queen.
What is this for? Is this for
Mom.
like? Is this like a special event if you get it?
I really don't know.
Take
Wait, we're putting them all back together, so later when Bella wants to play with it, she could play with it.
Okay.
But then she has to ask our permission because you know she likes making the doll naked and
It's okay.
you're recording. She likes making the dolls naked and then we can't find the clothes for her.
Yeah,
So
Bella
I-
does that. I don't know why.
I
She
also-
loves her dolls.
We
naked.
also found out that this you could push in and then restart it. Like you push it in and
Oh,
then
really? You can do that too?
yeah, you could push it in and
Oh,
then
that's good that she can do it by
One
herself.
her friend
And then-
one her family.
and then
And
Wait, oh,
one
I think it was this
her
way.
sister. One her sister.
Okay.
see?
Oh,
And then push
One
it out
her
and push it
sister,
back in.
Mom.
awesome,
You can-
Kuya Alex. Say thank you, Kuya Alex.
Do it all.
Say
Oh.
thank you, Kuya Alex.
Oh no.
The mermaid.
One her sister.
Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
One her sister.
Bella, there's more Christmas. There's Christmas coming. The Christmas is coming. The Christmas is approaching, right, Daddy?
Does Daddy get a thank you?
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're
Say-
welcome.
Say thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
What's all this?
Confetti.
Oh, that comes in with that?
Yeah, but we're gonna put it all back in.
Say thank you, Daddy. Hug Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Am I supposed to hug?
Alex jealous.
No, I was like, am I supposed to hug?
All right, you hug your dad. Aw.
You're welcome, son.
Say bye.
Bye. See y'all tomorrow, probably.
See you in my next video like that.
Yeah, next
See you
video.
in your next video.
Okay.